Hello, this is Sabrina Moreland, and I'm from the Walter State Library, and this video is going to show you how to use JSTOR to conduct research for your drama assignment in English 1010. So here we are on the Walter State homepage. We're going to scroll down to the A to Z database list, and this time we're just going to go straight to the J's, or of course you could go to the subjects and narrow down to English, but I'm going to click on the J's, and we're going to go into JSTOR. Now I'd like to point out that if you are working off campus, you'll have to log in to the databases using your eLearn username and password. JSTOR though is different. We have listed here the username and password for you to gain Walter State access in JSTOR. So please remember that whenever you're using this database on or off campus. So when I click into JSTOR, we want to make sure it says Walter State Community College at the top of the page. If it doesn't, you can log in using that information that I showed you before. So you could put in WSCC and Tularuma as the password. I normally start under the Advanced Search in JSTOR, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Advanced Search. And then we're going to use these boxes to search for our literary element or our play or our playwright. And so I normally start with the name of my author or playwright. So I'm going to type in Henrik Ibsen and hit search. And so you get 900 and some results. And JSTOR is a little different from the other databases in that it doesn't really use all the subject headings that we've talked about in the past, but it does keyword searching. So even though the article may not be about your playwright or story at all, there is this portion of it that just mentions your keyword that you're searching for. So it just brings up any time your terms are found in an article. So it may not be relevant, so you have to be a little more careful in evaluating the relevancy of these articles. But we can use either the search within box or we can go up to the top. So I'm just going to type in and in quotation marks put the name of my play. So I have Henrik Ibsen and A Doll's House and hit search. So that takes it all the way down to 82 results. I'm going to use the search within feature now and type in one of the ways I'm evaluating this play. And so I'm taking a feminist approach. I'm just going to type that in search within, and now I have 34 results. And you can use search within as many times as you need to narrow your results. Something else that's really helpful to keep in mind is you may only want a journal article. And so you can click on that square and it will take out anything that's not a journal article. And another helpful feature is under subjects, we're only interested in language and literature right now because we are looking for literary criticism. And so now I just have 23 articles. And that's very manageable. You can go through and see if anything seems relevant. And so I'm just going to look at this one, The Doll's House Backlash, Criticism, Feminism, and Ibsen. So talking about feminism in this play. And I'm going to either download the article here or click into the title and it will bring up another option for viewing this information. The citation tools for this database are located here, so you can click on Cite this item, or when you do go in to the title, if you scroll down a little bit, the citation is here as well. So when you click on that, here is the MLA citation that you can copy and paste into your works cited page, always looking to make sure everything's written properly. So when I'm in the title and I haven't really downloaded yet, you can view the article this way, or I think a better way is to download the PDF and just say that you accept, and then you're given the PDF. And this should have the page numbers, which is really great for your in-text and parenthetical citations in your paper. So there's the article, and then you can see if it's relevant to what you're researching. You can also print and download in this database. But this is just a quick overview on how to use JSTOR to conduct research for your English 1020 course class assignments.